Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add friends in EA Sports FC Mobile. The first thing that you'll need to do is to tap on the add friend option at the top right of your screen. And then from here, select this add friend option as well. Okay, this one. And you will see the recommended users. So if you want to search for a specific username, you can then just tap on the search icon, this one, and then type out the username of the player that you want to send a friend request, and then click on continue. So you can see bunch of user. So just select the user that you want to add friend, then click on send request, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.